A new breed of skimmer cover reinventing the poolscape. Say goodbye to metal grates and bulky plastic skimmer covers in beautiful landscaped areas. HIDE has designed a range of innovative covers for skimmers, drains, and access points which provide a sophisticated option. Available in a variety of depths to suit infill material from 0.4 to 2.5 inches, HIDE inlay covers can be fitted with tiles, timber, or concrete to match the surrounding landscape, creating a luxurious, uninterrupted outdoor space. HIDE covers are 100% compliant with pool safety standards, and because they sit flush, it means no more tripping hazards. 316 marine-grade stainless steel components means a durable, long-lasting product backed by a 10-year warranty. The steel frames protect the inlay materials and landscaping surrounds from chipping and breakages, whilst the safety key allows the covers to be easily opened and closed. Each HIDE kit contains all the components for a no-fuss install. The kit includes the HIDE inlay covers, which holds the chosen materials, the edge protector, which guards the cover's surrounds, and the safety key for simple opening and closing. It also includes adhesive for fixing the inlay into place, installation instructions, and a homeowner's manual. The HIDE kit also comes with a HIDE adjuster. HIDE products are constructed from 316 marine-grade stainless steel, so are considered a conductive material. In existing pools, ugly plastic skimmer covers that discolor, crack, and trip people can be replaced with a HIDE inlay cover. Begin by assembling the inlay cover. Measure and cut the inlay material, in this case tile, to size. Check the depth of the tile in the inlay cover. Mark and cut the keyway. Clean the tile and let it dry to ensure the adhesive bonds. If the height difference between the inlay cover and the inlay material is more than 1/8 of an inch, use the included height adjuster. Calculate the amount of adhesive needed and apply it to the inlay cover. Using the height adjuster, mark the tile to indicate where to avoid placing the adhesive. Apply the adhesive between the tile and the height adjuster. Flip the inlay cover over the top of the tile and check for a level finish. Wait 15 minutes for the adhesive to stiffen before flipping the cover right way up. Adjust the tile so it's centered in the inlay cover, then set it aside for 24 hours. Leave for a longer period in freezing conditions. For existing pools, center the edge protector over the skimmer and mark the cutting area. Then cut the depth to match the edge protector and mortar bed. Remove the existing tile, plastic skimmer cover, and tidy up the recess. Fill the recess with a mortar bed. Then push in the edge protector, ensuring it sits level. Remove any excess mortar and allow the mortar bed to set. Place the inlay cover into the recess frame. To ensure compliance and prevent children from accessing the skimmer box, once the cover is installed, hand the safety key to the homeowner. HIDE skimmer covers offer an easy-to-install yet flexible sophistication, with options for inlay materials between 0.4 and 2.5 inches. There's also an option for use with on-site poured concrete. The inlay material may be styled to match the surrounding poolscape, no matter what the combination. The finished products look so darn good, they really do sell themselves. Become an industry leader by stocking HIDE inlay covers. They are a world first and the only product on the market delivering a seamless finish. And HIDE is proudly Australian owned and made. Find your nearest stockist and offer your client a superior result.